How to use Shein wallet money. Now, this is a very straightforward and very quick guide. First things first is, of course, launch your Shein application and ensure that you're logged into your account. And to check your current balance on your Shein wallet, just head straight to the Me tab located at the lower right portion of your screen. Now, in the top portion, you should be able to see vouchers, points, wallet, and gift card, and then just simply choose on wallet. This is where your Shein wallet balance should be visible, and if you would like to use this as one of your payment method, then all you have to do next is just simply add something to your cart. Now, upon going into your checkout page, this is where you will input your shipping address. Then after that, just simply scroll down and then just tap on View More. Head straight to Wallet and input the specific amount on how much you'll be using. Now take note that if the specific product that you purchase is higher than the value of your Shein wallet, then you will be prompted to use available payment method right here. So that is how you use your Shein wallet money.